भाई, कितनी बार ऐसा हुआ है that you ask ChatGPT a question and it just dumps a massive boring block of text on your screen. एकदम useless और generic answer, right? To solve this, we can look to a concept from the matrix. The quality of the answer is always tied to the precision of the question. When you provide clear instructions and specific context, you can generate highly tailored, formatted, and actionable results in seconds. By the end of this video, you will have a 5-step framework to command ChatGPT as a specialized expert for any task. Step 1 is setting the baseline. We start by assigning the AI a specific role. Asking for a workout gets you generic advice. Instructing it to act like an expert fitness coach changes its vocabulary, forcing the model to filter its knowledge through the lens of a professional trainer. Once the role is set, we move to steps 2 and 3, providing specific facts and making the request personal.
We often default to short, 5-word sentences because writing a full paragraph to a computer feels unnatural. However, brief requests often lead to shallow outputs. For a fitness plan you can actually use, you have to provide your exact variables. Specify that you are a 60-year-old woman with a 45-minute daily limit and chronic lower back pain. Compare these outputs side by side. The generic prompt gives you a random list of exercises that might aggravate an injury. The detailed prompt produces a routine tailored specifically to those physical constraints. Providing personal data upfront ensures the advice is safe and relevant to your specific situation. Even with the right information, a large wall of text is difficult to scan quickly. Step 4 solves this by dictating the output format. You can command the AI to present information as a table, a checklist, or a step-by-step guide. By adding the instruction, "Present the information in a table," the AI organizes your 7-day schedule into clean, readable rows and columns. Defining the format allows the AI to handle the heavy work of organizing and presenting all the data for you. Even with a clear table, the first result is often a rough draft. Step 5 is iteration. If one part of the output doesn't fit, like a workout that seems too intense for a Tuesday, ask a follow-up question to adjust that specific detail. This process is especially useful for complex logic. Language models sometimes rush to a conclusion and make mistakes in multi-step reasoning. Including the instruction, "Let's think step by step," forces the model to process information sequentially, which significantly improves the accuracy of the final answer. Think of prompting as an ongoing negotiation with a digital expert, a loop of refinement until the output meets your professional standard. This is the final result of our 5-step process, a high-quality fitness plan that respects your age, your schedule, and your physical needs. Role, context, personalization, and format. When these 4 elements snap together, you have a complete prompt. In your next session, move past the one-sentence request. Take the time to build a structured prompt and see the difference in the quality of the response. The depth of the AI's output is directly determined by the effort of the human directing it. Give it a try and see what you can create.